Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to learn about different types of circular flanges. Our flagship courses are Master Static Equipment Design and PVElite, ASME SEC VIII Division 2, and Master Welded Storage Tank, as per API 650. We have curated courses to suit your learning needs. So do visit our learning platform for more details on scootoid.thinkific.com.
What are the different types of circular flanges, guys? If you remember in the last chapter, we talked about slip-on, we talked about socket, lap joint, okay, screw type. Do you expect same kind of classification here also or different? What is your opinion? That there will be similar classification here? Nikhil is saying ring type. Sumit is saying different. Great. So let us see that. So first classification is loose type flange. Okay, it does not talk about slip-on or ring. It just says loose type flange. What are these loose types? We'll see, because if you open mandatory appendix 2, you will see different figures, which will include your slip-on, which will include your lap type flange. So lots of different types of flanges are included, okay, in loose type. Second is integral. Integral type flange. What is the main difference between loose type and integral, guys? If in one word, if you have to explain the difference between loose, fixed, and removable. See, if loose type flange I'm using, that is also welded. At least fillet welds are there. Loose is located outside of the shell. One element. Yes, Himanshu is very right. So integral, like the word itself explains, it's integral part. There are no two parts in that. One in loose type, there is neck, which is different, and ring, which is a flange. Both are different parts. While in integral, it may be different part. Okay. Even it may be the same construction of loose, but if you have welded it with full penetration, it becomes an integral part. Okay. So that is the different one element. Very rightly said, Himanshu. Then there is third category, which is optional type. Okay. Typically, these optional types are also designed with integral. We'll talk about that. It varies between integral to loose. Okay, we'll see how it is. So this is the loose type flange. It may have hub, but finally the weld which you see here, that is only a fillet weld. Okay. Here it may be like this, or at this end it may be a groove also. Still it is a loose flange. If the same flange, if I make a groove like this, complete groove like this and weld it, then it will become integral. See, yes, if it is clear, loose type and integral. So in loose type, all like slip-on flange, lap joint flange, screw type, all will come in loose type flange category. ASME has given very different figures, so that will make it really clarify that what exactly loose type flange is and what is integral. Okay, great. So now let us see the integral type. You already know this is a weld neck. Even the earlier which we discussed, if I have a lap type, but I have welded completely with full penetration joint, it will become integral. Okay, and these are the optional flange. You'll see that weld is little higher than your loose, because there only fillet was there. Here you have groove also. Okay. So with fillet, there is groove weld also. So typically it is designed as considered as integral, but if there is some limitation that if you see the few conditions, if they are met, in that case, we'll have to design them as slip-on type flange. So if you actually we'll talk about that in the further chapter also, but just I'll tell you that there is some pressure limitation, some operating temperature limitation, and also the thickness of the smaller hub. So based on that, few conditions, if the limit is not met, if it is less than those mentioned in the condition, then it will be designed as slip-on type or loose type. Okay. Otherwise, it will become integral. Great.
For in-depth training. And to learn more about these courses, register with the link in the description.